Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you the news about Themasek's investment in Xenia, which is a strategic bet on major Italy with global intent. In a move that signals growing confidence in Italian luxury, Singapore's Temasek Holding has acquired a 10% stake in Xenia Group, joining the cap table of a century-old menswear brand that has quietly reshaped itself into a modern luxury powerhouse. For Temasek, this isn't a passive financial bet. It's a long-term strategic partnership aimed at scaling Xenia's global footprint, especially in the underdeveloped markets across Asia. The sovereign investor brings deep expertise into luxury retail and consumer behavior in the region, having backed names like Moncler and operating consumer hubs like Paragon Hall. For Xenia, it's a bold validation of its strategy, shifting from wholesale to direct-to-consumers. Now, 82% of the branded sales are comprised from the direct-to-consumer segment, diversifying beyond China with double-digit growth in the Middle East and the Americas, operating a multi-brand portfolio that includes Xenia, Thom Browne, and Tom Ford Fashion. CEO Gildo Zegna has emphasized that no family shares were sold and the company has no plans to delist from the New York Stock Exchange. The message is clear. This isn't about retreat, but it's about scaling in the right manner. As the group posted revenues of $927 million in H1 of 2025, with direct-to-consumer strength offsetting the macro headwinds, Temasek deal underscores a broader trend. Sovereign capital is looking for long-term value in brands with both heritage and headroom. And in Xenia, they seem like they've found one. That's all that we have for you in this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned.